Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Myntri Rangba Junga Jylla Megalia Konrad Kongkal Sangma Belasyajiet kumu convener banyalam ya group of ministers Halor ke Jingbuh iki casino ki race course bat ki online gaming hakala aski ublai ke atrik ujembang arajar arpuar kila syong jingalang Delhi ban Ïatai sani bah halor kini kam ya ke group of ministers la thau da ke Ministry of Finance jong ke Sorkar India ban ya kenya dia halor ke jingyo lum khajna andalabo ya ki casino ki race course bat ki online gaming hakini ki jingalang lai shementalang da usembut Myntri Rangba Maharashtra u Ajit Pawar u Myntri Ketnat Platingka ka West Bengal ka Chandrima Bhattacharya u Myntri Ketnat Platingka ka Gujarat u Kanubhai Patel u Myntri Ketnat Transports bat Panchayati Raj ka Jylla Goa u Mauvin Godenho u Myntri Ketnat Platingka ka Tamil Nadu u Dr. Palanivel Thiaga Rajan u Myntri Ketnat Platingka ka Uttar Pradesh u Suresh Kumar Khanna bat u Myntri Ketnat Platingka ka Telangana u Thaniru Harish Rao.
Today we have managed to really move the discussion forward to a large extent, and the issues related to the rates, issues related to the valuation on which the rate should be applied, and certain issues of online gaming. All these aspects were discussed in detail. We have broadly have a consensus and a decision, but there are few more technical aspects on once we do apply that, what will be the implications. So therefore we are going to meet once more to finally take all the views of these decisions that we in likelihood will take, and then we will take a call. So next meeting should be around the second, third week of. It would not be appropriate for me to talk about that right now. It's as I said, the GOM is yet to decide, so I would reserve my comments on that right now. And we would wait till the decision and the report is submitted to the GST Council itself. We are looking at all those aspects. We're looking and we'll definitely keep all of those aspects in mind and only then take decisions. So issues are very simple. Take to a rate on the GST. Number two, which rate should apply for the different activities. Number two,
18%
हाँ अलग-अलग प्लेटफॉर्म में अलग-अलग चीज़ों के लिए अलग-अलग वो हैं. So basically, in some activities it's a certain rate, in some other activities a certain rate. So what should be the rate? Number one, in which activity, and there should be a differentiation in the rate or not. That's the one issue. Number two issue is the valuation on which you charge or you apply the rate. So should it be on the entire gross, the entire amount that is paid or that is in the turnover, or should it be on the amount that is actually earned or commissioned, or the platform fee that is being there. So these are the issues that are in front of us. As I said, this impacts a large number of industries and large number of companies. Therefore, we need to keep all stakeholders, the society in mind. We have to keep the government of India and state governments in mind. And at the same time, we have to keep the industries also in mind. So we're keeping all the three stakeholders in mind, trying to take the best decision in the best interest of all. It's huge. So we are looking at just the online gaming itself is almost touching 30,000 crores in terms of its turnover. So annually, so it's seeing growth, large growth, almost 20-30% every year. So it's a huge amount, and therefore we need to make sure that we take the right decision.